Did you know you can turn your passion for travel into a reliable source of passive income? Imagine earning commissions every time someone books a flight, hotel, or travel experience, all without selling anything directly. There's a powerful system designed specifically for travel enthusiasts, content creators, and bloggers. This system connects you with some of the biggest travel brands worldwide, allowing you to monetize your audience effortlessly. The process is simple. You share personalized links on your platforms, be it a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media. Every time someone books through your link, you earn a commission. The more people you reach, the greater your income potential. With access to over 100 top travel brands, you can promote flights, hotels, car rentals, tours, and more. Plus, there's a powerful tracking system that helps you monitor performance and optimize your results for higher earnings. What's even better, you don't need any prior experience. This system provides intuitive tools like widgets, banners, and APIs to make monetization as easy as possible. Whether you run a blog, post on Instagram, or create YouTube videos, this is an opportunity to generate ongoing income. And here's the best part. You can even earn an extra bonus just by referring others. For every content creator or influencer you introduce, you'll receive a percentage of their earnings for 2 whole years. If you're serious about making money with travel, don't wait. I've left a special link in the description. Click now to unlock this opportunity and start building your own stream of passive income today.